Hello, 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 chat. Don't know why the chat is not being visible. Okay, I think here we got an issue in the chat. Um, but I think I will be able to see if anyone like sends any messages in the live chat. Just let me paste the link in the Discord. After that, we will start today's stream. And yeah, I have turned off the webcam features style because of electricity issues. Just wait. Hmm. Should be visible, right? Isn't there? Yeah. Okay, let's start today's stream. So today's good evening, everyone. Today's day 48 of my C++ of my DSA journey. In today's stream, we will first revisit some problems, or maybe I will first go with a new problem today. And yeah, according to the roadmap, we are supposed to solve one new problem, right? And I don't know, like for how much time I will be be doing streaming because of the electricity issue, and I just have been left with this much battery. Maybe we should try a new problem, right? So without wasting time, we should jump on to solving a new problem, right? Uh, Because we don't know how much time the okay, now the electricity is back, so I think now we will be in a good case. I don't know what happened to the live chat. Should I? It's already been live. Okay, now I think it is visible. So what I'll do is I just okay, let's go. Hello, 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 hello. I think it's fine, right? Let's start today's revisit. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we were first trying like going to solve a new problem, right? Like first I will have to pick a problem because I haven't like planned today like what we will do. Like there's a problem that I can do, but it will be like we will be have we will have to explain that. Uh, okay. So for today I will pick another problem, or like from tomorrow we will be starting um, a new chapter, a new topic named as 2D arrays. Hello man, welcome to the stream. Seeing you after a very long time. Just the electricity is back right now. Um, just now the electricity is back. Hello, hello. Have you been on my channel? Like I've started this project series. Like I wanted to show you, right? Because you are old. Um, like you know me from where I started, right? So like I started this project series. I think it was, yeah, 2 days ago. I have started this where I'm like creating a project from scratch. Just this thing I have been like done yet a little bit of like a basic dashboard. Okay, this will be a long-term project on which we will be working. And what about you? Like where were you like from these much, like you have come after a very long time, right? Have you learned API integration? Uh, Okay, you are talking about JavaScript, like that function. Like I have learned about fetch API, something something like this. Yeah, I have had a discussion with like a people, a person yesterday. So like I have got to a point where like there will be some new things that will be for you guys, like the just viewers who are coming on the stream. Like it will be a type of a space where people will be like able to do collaborative study, right? Like it is just not done yet. Just like I have done a basic setup of it, and we will be doing some experimentation on it. And like what will happen there is like with the other people who are in the Discord, you all can like have a like you all can study on any topic with together, right? Maybe like it can be any topic ranging from very basic topic like sorting to DP, right? Sorting or DP, dynamic programming, right? So like I'm just trying to um, yeah, do a little bit of setup. Like I have done a little bit of setup of this. This is not just completed. There will be so many things will be added to these things, right? Just it is a basic setup I have done today, and soon I will be making some changes in the Discord server, and I think it will be fun for all of you also because, uh, like I got an input that this much length of streams is like kind of boring, right? Like people, why will people stay on the stream for this much time just seeing watch me solving these problems, right? Like okay, I'm doing, but what about other people who are coming on the stream? So why you make website? Oh no, this is not a website. Just I have just set up a basic layout like how Hmm. Like, what is it about? Like, on the day one, I just started the project so that it will be marked as okay. This is being documented as the project, the very first project that I have started to create, and this is not a finished project. It is a version, like a basic version of it. Soon there will be episode one will be out of yeah. I will be doing episode two of it. But before that, I will be making some changes in the front end part. And like I want to start with JavaScript soon. So I think from the episode second, I will be working on JavaScript. Which stack you use for this? No, there is not any stack, just HTML and CSS. Uh, these are just some buttons, and if you click, just you will be directed to pages. And these buttons are like I haven't give any logic for like what will happen when you will click this or core HTML CSS. Yeah, if I show you the code, like some of the things, is the stream visible? Is the stream visible? I like in between these there is happening some network issues. So man, I've just like due to these issues, like we have I think a little bit of delay in the communication, right? Um, core HTML CSS. Yeah, the thing you're talking about is right. Like I have deployed it on Vercel so that like if anyone wants to visit, he or she can visit directly, right? This is not any WordPress or like where we just get template, right? Okay, so we were this problem is already been done, I think, right? It's not being done. Okay, we can pick this problem, right? Today we can solve this problem. Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. Wiggle sort second, right? I was supposed to like give the information in a good way, but I think I have started the stream a little bit late, and like in between we got some electricity issues and some other technical issues, and I think because of that, the information I wanted to give to you hasn't been that much good, right? Hasn't been spread in a good way. So first, I think we should start from this. What we have to do in this problem is that we have to sort this array, right? If I'm understanding, one, okay, the numbers that are on even index are in decreasing order, right? And the numbers that are on odd index are also in decreasing order, right? Or but in this case, if we see in this case the numbers that are on even index are odd numbers, right? And it's 5 4, okay, and these are numbers, but here it is odd, right? Sorry, here it is odd, then 3, okay, it's on even index, and in think we can nums 0 less than nums 1, nums 1 is more than nums 2, nums 2 is less than nums 3. um okay, so the very first value should be less than the second value, right? And the third value should be more than should be and the second value should be more than the third value, and the fourth value should be okay. So the third value is less than the fourth value, right? And the fourth value is less than the fifth value. Like earlier I was thinking that we have to do sort this problem like on which like when I've seen this for the first time, I thought that okay, this the even numbers will be present on odd index, and we just have to it. What does it mean by Mm, okay, let's see. Divide and conquer, greedy sorting, quick set. Okay, big of and time plan are in place with big O one extra space. Oh, oh, oh. Can you guys tell me like what we have to do in this problem if anyone have like done this before? Like um, according to the statement, consistency um, more than, okay. So the values that are on even index are less than the values which are present on odd index, right? And it can be in any order. Like here it is in different order, right? Just the values which are on odd index, yeah, which are on even index should be less than their neighbors, right? So how we can do that? It is guaranteed that there will be an answer for the given. Okay, answer is guaranteed, and big of n time means that we can also do it in big of n cube time, like that's why it is given as a follow up, and or in place with big O one. Okay, so I think people have used extra vector. Maybe we can get those values, store that in another vector, right? Where largest, but we don't know the size, right? Maybe the size can be um, odd, not even at like, I will try to struggle on this. What's a vector in CPP? Vector? Vector are like dynamic arrays. Like, okay, if I show you, think I have explained it. Mhm. Array partition. A3 is here. I think it's gone somewhere. So what's a vector in CPP, right? Okay. Like there was a physical, oh sorry, visual representation of it. Like I did explain it in a good way. Don't know where it's gone. But it's different from arrays. Like it is said that um, arrays are fixed in size, but vector are dynamic in size, right? Like you can do some modification in vectors that are not that you can't do in arrays, right? Um, like if they are like type of people, like it is also said that these are type of dynamic arrays. Like you can reinitialize value of like suppose this is a vector named as nums, right? So we can reinitialize it with any value like 10. Okay, I have gave the value 10 here. So if you see here, the second index value will become 10, right? And I think this is not possible in when we use simple arrays, right? Like if we have initialized the values, then we can't reinitialize in the when we write the code, right? Like an array list. I don't know about this topic yet, but like the topic you're talking about, array list. Java. Okay. And array list is like a resizable array. Yeah, yeah. If we're talking in terms of Java, right? Like I have started learning JavaScript and I have got to know that like there is also present dynamic array. Like it is different from vector is different, but I have got to know that while learning that there are also dynamic array present in vector. You are learning in brother. Hello man, welcome to the stream. Yeah, and man, I was like, I don't know how to start the information yet, but like I'm trying to create a environment in the community, right, which we are in. Then people will be able to study together in a way that it will be more helpful, and people will be less driven to use AI for like learning new things, or maybe just go to YouTube to watch like learn any concept, right? Like in the Discord, I will be soon like improving it more so that people can join and have a study, do collaborative study, right, together. What's this, brother? Is this your lead code profile? I was just trying to like understand this problem. Just was going to experiment on this. If you wanna, is it your lead code profile? Okay. Whenever people give me any my lead code profile. Oh, you have done a good number of hard problems, right? Not so many people do that much hard problems at this. Um, okay, I think this. So, like, do you want any review on it, or like just wanted to like show your profile to us? Like, I'm not a experienced reviewer. Like, I don't know how I should like mark it as how hardcore it is, right? But I think you have been doing it from a. You started in 2024, right? And you are being active from the last year. Oh man, any recommendations? Like for what? I think you already know the things, right? Better than me. Like if you see my profile, I think I haven't solved that much problems on lead code, right? Okay, just wait. I will be coming on your um, Java and JavaScript are very different, but yeah, I will be coming on to that. Right? Any recommendations? I'm just a beginner at this stage, so I think if I will give you any advice on this, maybe that can be incorrect, right? But yeah, you can join the Discord server right now. There are people who are like at a good stage in the Discord. There you can have a chat with them, and yeah, you can ask for a review from them, and they can review it in a better way. I think they will give you a better suggestion than me at the right time, right? Because I don't want to be like giving bad opinion, right? The opinion should be in a right way so that like when you implement, like try to implement it. Review my profile. Just wait, man. Just wait. And yeah, welcome to the stream. If you want, you can join the Discord. I will give you the link. And in the Discord, what people can do, like who are just started learning DSA, or maybe who are at some good level in DSA, right? They can join the Discord. I have just started to create a environment where people can do collaborative study together, right? It is not just completed, just it have started to be built, right? Like if you're able to see, I've created these study rooms. You can join these rooms, share your screens, and just start learning together. Uh, have a You can use these. I will tell about this in a detailed way. I think I will make a video on this, a detailed video, right? Incredible, man. Yeah, like I also want all of you to like grow with me together, right? Like we have to grow together in a way that like it helps uh, all of us, right? And I'm also getting to know that like it is not benefiting me also. Like if I go and just start learning with any playlist, right? I just pick a playlist and started learning. Then I also feeling that okay, I have done this topic, but and I have maybe even revisit a problem, but I think it's not helping me, right? Because we have to do like continuous revision of things, or maybe like here these are the rooms. You can join this. You can have a like there will be a people who with who you can like have conversation about any specific topic, like even if it's like suppose for example we are having talk on two pointers, right? Like what are two pointers, what how to traverse an array, like there are so many topics ranging from a very basic level topic to a advanced level topic, right? Soon I think this will become a type of a community where people can also have like do interactive study with each other, right? From ready to learn DSL. Me, I haven't just learned like I have just I the primary source of it was this playlist, but I think it is now changing. It is now shifting to like um, from the past few weeks I was using AI also, but now I think it will shift to maybe Discord or some other platform soon, because I think it will improve the study. Um, it will improve the level of understanding of concepts and like how we will recall them, how the technical things should be um recalled, right? That's why I will like try to improve it more in the upcoming time, and I will be uploading a video for it, like how the things will work, right? I have also made some changes in the Discord server today. In which topic you are in DSA? Right now, I have completed arrays, vectors, and strings, right? And just 2D arrays will start. Um, I think from tomorrow. It will start from tomorrow, and after that, I think recursion will be started soon. And from that point, I think there will be days where we will have a good amount of we will give a good amount of time solving problems based on recursion. Completed all, mainly just practicing and learning topics like Euler tools, segment tree, etc. Okay, yeah. Um, the thing I'm talking about in the community, I think it will be more benefit. It will benefit more people, right? Like I think you will not have to go to YouTube just like for even for like minor thing, right? Or maybe you will not have to open AI for just asking for something like it will not just revolve around DSA. There can be study rooms where we can have discussion about development, right? Maybe it we can have discussion about HTML, like from basic level to like going into the backend, and just it will need some time to be get set up in a right way. Go this. If you understand recursion, then you are great. You know what's the problem of watching these courses, right? The problems is that we just feel like okay, we are learning something, but don't know what's the thing is happening with the network. The problem I feel that okay, we just study like see a lecture. Okay, we feel that okay, this is the teacher is teaching something and we have learned something. But uh, if we like pick a topic and come back to that topic after a week, then we find that okay, we haven't uh, the things aren't in our mind, right? Just some of the chunks of the that lecture is present in our mind. Do you use my chat? Okay. Can I see your LeetCode profile? Okay. Yeah. This is my very beginner level LeetCode profile, I think, right? And I'm just not on LeetCode like I'm on other platforms, but there is not so many problems that I have solved on those platforms. You just wait. Okay, leave it. I think we don't. We should not focus on that. Tech, are you saying to me? Okay, just wait. I think I should. There was a guy who wanted the review of it of his profile, Pranjal, the coder. After that, we will. Oh man, don't know what is happening to the laptop. Pranjal coder. I'm also like you guys. Just maybe I'm giving. Is this your profile, buddy? Hmm. Yeah. And joining Discord is highly recommended for all of you because soon there will be like I'm creating this collaborative study rooms. You can join these rooms and just like study together, right? Because thus when I do live stream on YouTube, it just gets so much boring, right? Like people are having problems, right? To fix that, I will be focusing more on these community rather than just focusing on the YouTube your lead code profile. Okay, just wait, man. Just is this your profile? The very first. Um, and joining Discord is highly recommended. Rather than this, you should not subscribe to the channel right now. Okay, you can subscribe when you feel that okay, this guy is doing something good or we are learning something from him. Like today, I thought that okay, I will not interact with the viewers, but the way you guys are coming, I think like sometimes it becomes necessary to tell about these things, right? Okay, Pranjal, how many people? I think I will have to stop it somewhere, right? Like there again, and guy came and want review. Okay, so we will just review this, and after that, we will review this guy's account. After that, we will just come back onto the problem because we also have to cool profile and good rank. Okay, you have done 500 problems, and okay, I think you are being active in 2026, right? Hey man, like why are you trying to do so many problems in a day? Like there are some theories, like there are some patterns I have seen also for myself. You know, like I also feel okay. There will be days from now where the problem count will increase slower, but I think the understanding of topics will be good, right? Like I have seen many people just trying to increase the counter of problems they have solved, but I think you are doing this from a long time, right? But I think maybe you should slow in the speed a little bit, right? So that the topics, like so that the topics get absorbed by your mind, right? So whenever a person asks you, okay, tell me about this, so that you will be able to answer it. Or maybe are you doing revisits of the problem, like which you solve? Are you doing the revisits? Because revisiting is also a good thing, according to me. Like I do that. Drivers E to Z sheet. Okay. Yes, driver is also a very good DSA sheet, I think. Right? It is in a good sequence. If you are comfortable following that, I think that's a great thing. I don't need to do revisits. Once I do a problem, I know it for sure. Okay. Okay. So for testing that, what is the like what I will be doing like in the Discord when you will join the meeting rooms where people will ask you, okay, tell me about this or that thing. Then I think there will be the real test will begin for you, right? If you are joining the Discord, right? Like it will reinforce your topics. Like even if you are not studying, right? Even just if you are studying alone and just you have free time, you can join you can come into the server and you can see okay, people are having discussion on something. You can just try and join in and just try to give answers on topics, or maybe there will be discussions going on. You can give your contribution in that. Okay, and not just like implementing all the things in one go, because then I think there will be like I'm to trying to make it as a good system, right? Because of that, I'm taking this much time to start these things. Why did you choose CPV? Why not Java? Java. Like the primary reason was okay, I tried to find Java. DSA. Okay, but there were not so many teachers. Okay, there were teachers, but what I did, like I got to know about DSA in a little bit detail from Apna College, right? Like from their videos. Then after that, I got to know, okay, is teaching some. This teacher is has also bring started a new course based on C++ DSA. So I just hopped into that and just started learning DSA from this teacher, right? I think you got my point. I also know about Striver, but what is the problem in Striver is that, okay, like the playlist is good and the person who's teaching it is, but the playlist is in English, right? I think I am being off topic, or maybe DJ Master LeetCode profile. Am I at intermediate level now? Are you guys getting the link to the Discord server? Okay, I think I've pasted it. It's just gone some. I don't need. Okay, I haven't watched single solution video. Max to max, I chat GPT the idea, all the code I write myself, so I don't need much revision much. Okay, are you into TV? What what is TV, man? Okay, we was this guy's LeetCode profile. We can try to review it. But yeah, Pranjal, I think your profile is very hardcore. Even like you have put efforts, right? TV shows. No, man. Okay, are you talking about do I watch TV shows? But what kind of shows? Like, are you talking about? Are you talking about those serials? Riddler was Riddler, right? Don't know what is happening to the internet. Hey, man, which one is your profile? I think this is the guy's profile, or maybe this name of both are same. Okay, I think this the profile of him because there are two underscores being Western TV. No, but yeah, I do watch web series. Not so much. Like from the past, I think 1 year, or I have just stopped doing that. Like when I watch, I just finish it, you know. But when I don't watch, I think I do watch series in just maybe in a span of 3 months. Maybe I watch a single web series, you know. But when I do start watching it, I just finish it. Um, hey, we were okay. Are you there, man? Are you there, Riddler 9? Your account name is also not visible, right? It's named as guest. How? With what name should I call you? What have you watched? Name them. Are you talking about Netflix series? Okay, you are here. That's good. Hey, just wait, let me see. Um, okay, now the messages, the new people who are joining, the welcome. Okay, the messages will now come in this part, this channel. Okay, I am guest. Okay, so you have done 210 number of problems, right? And you started it in 2025. Okay, we can say that you have started in okay, C++ Java. So you have started doing it in a serious way from the last month, right? Okay, okay, this month is going to end, so we can mark it as the past month. And okay, so you do knew about recursion, right? Great, man. How about doing a problem together? Um, yeah, we can do it. That's why I was saying that you guys too, like join the Discord. I'm just like uh, setting it up. It will take a little bit of time to set up that, but the basic setup is done, right? Like this is a room for two people. Two people can join it. They can share their screens, or maybe they can use text or maybe audio for like having interaction with each other, and they can start to a study, or maybe this is a group study room where people like where more than two people can join. And this is the room one. This is the room two. I just like created a basic setup so that people get to like get aware of okay what is being going on the Discord server, right? So that it creates awareness in people. It's not been just completed. Check mine. How about okay, what your profile? Which year are you in, bro? Okay, now you guys take a guess like which year and I am. Like you guys have to guess in which year of college I am right now. Like I asked this question from the new viewers who come for the first time on the stream. Okay, the stream is going in another direction today. Okay, and sorry for the people. Like I think I'm just missing some chats in between because I'm just like new in these type of things. Okay, third. Like this is you guys final guess or like okay. Uh, have you guys got the message? Like I'm just the first semester will start in August, this next month, right? And I think it will be better for me also when I will be joining these study rooms, and because I think I've also like I've also reached to that stage where I think I need some revision on the topics, right? Because soon recursion will start to I will jump into recursion, then how I will revision about arrays, how I will do the revision of it, or maybe vectors, how I will strengthen the logic, the these topics. Oh, great, you are gonna be a monster. Oh man, you made me recall that movie by third. If you continue DS and CPA, I wish I started early. There is if you have started, I think nobody's late, right? But like the amount of action we put results into the things, right? There is no time like which we can mark as late or early. Like you are saying that you have started early, right? You wish that, but uh, for me, I feel like okay, I have started early. Like the meaning is different from for everyone, right? Okay, I think you will cover up in a good time, right? You are already done in public. Yeah. Like it was in my mind when I was in from the past 2 years, it was in my mind. I was not having these the device from which I like I was into these type of things from a very long time, but yeah, I think due to some issues like not having the resources to start streaming on YouTube, I think it would have been already started 5 years ago. But like there are some long stories behind that. We can come on to that topic later, right? But many of yeah, I think already done good number of problems. I think now you should focus on to maybe uh, strengthening your topics, right? PC specs. Um, it is not that good, but like I purchased it in the that time when the prices of RAMs were so much higher. It's just like this, like this is RTX 4050, but with I think it's around 115 watt TGP, right? And its CPU is like i5 13 generation. What do you guys think? Like, is this a good laptop or I think I should also bring some interactive sessions where we just like have interaction with people who are like joining the channel for the first time, right? Who are coming on the channel. Is that Lenovo lock? Oh man, I think your guess is right. Yeah, this is a Lenovo lock laptop. Um, it's been working fine. Just there are some issues being keep coming in this laptop. Like I faced issues related to Bluetooth, right? And the new people like who are watching me, you don't have to subscribe right now. You can subscribe when you feel that this guy is teaching something good or we are learning something from him. Okay, because okay, I will learn the things, but you should also uh, like be able to learn with me, right? Then I think it will be more beneficial. Why did you buy this? You game or something? No, there is not any game present in the laptop. Like there are some factors that made me purchase this, but it's not related to gaming. Like I do have purchased game in the past, but like I love those games. You know about GTA, right? I have played GTA San Andreas before when I was like in the childhood time. I do like I love to. I left this series, Grand Theft Auto series. I purchased GTA 5, I think 2 years ago, but haven't played this, I think, even for the first time, right? Just it's being like getting rotten in the library of like I've purchased it using Steam, but it's just I've left it. Then why? Because maybe I will use it for the things which in which the usage of GPU will be needed or or CPU will be needed, right? Like you can see, I've like started doing streams on using OBS, and you can see the GPU usage is being like it is using the GPU, right? Or maybe in future it will use the CPU. That's why like thinking about how the things are changing in technology, don't know where we will shift in the future, right? Maybe there will be the need of a good laptop. Have you pressed Y on that specific door? Where? Oh, man, today, you know what's happening with the network? It's just getting disconnected. Let's do some problems. Now I wanna hear how other approaches the problem. Okay, yeah. Is it visible or like what's happening? That's the copier man. You sacrificed your battery weight for nothing. Your battery weight for nothing. Yeah, but just I do like plug in the you know and the environment that I've like created for me. I think I don't have to carry this laptop that much. So we was solving this problem and we got a little bit I think into the interactions, right? I think like I think too slow. Okay, we will come to these topics. Okay, we can have interactions in the Discord. So I think we should now focus on to maybe solving this problem. Do you guys know about this problem? You can give me some inputs like how we should approach this. Like I've got to know that the numbers which will be present on even index will be less than their neighbors, like the numbers which are present on odd index, right? So how we should do that? Hmm, even odd. Can I join Discord voice chat? Yeah, it's for everyone like who wants to join. I can connect with you after the stream. Okay, like if you wanna connect, we can have some talk. But after the stream, because I have like started this stream with this marker. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the type of a solo stream, so I think I should not add you right now, right? And yeah, if you will try to say something, I think the input like you will try to say something, I will not be able to hear that, and I don't know why. Like when I use external mic, I don't get to like hear the audio from the system, right? That's why I was thinking there was a chat which I was having with Copilot. Okay, you don't follow this approach like this which I'm following for this because I think I have not been left with a good amount of time because I have to solve one new problem today and have to revisit two problems. Okay, optimal string via Discord server. Yeah, I will like start doing interactive study sessions with people like okay, but there will be like different streams for that. Like it will be like day 49, okay, day 50, but with a different thumbnail where I will be like it will be marked as okay, this is an interactive session where people can join and also we can do collaborative study. They can give their opinion like how we should approach a problem, but not right now. Okay, I think you are getting me, right? It will just start soon. We just need a little bit of time for that because I'm not in a team right now. Like I do these things on alone, right? Like yesterday, I got input for from a person who came on the stream. Not yesterday, I think it is being from happening from the past 2 days. Hmm. Like I was working on this project. I just started working on this project, right? Then I got to like I got in contact with that person. And yeah, this is from the series that I've started recently. And like this was the episode one of it. I started building it from the scratch, like from setting up the folder structure to like there is just being used HTML and CSS in this, and I have like used AI for some of the writing some of the part of the code. Like I knew about those things, so I just copied it so to save the time. Okay. So should I start solving the problem? All right. Hey, you, okay. Pranjal, when I will like start the revisit of the problem, then you can see me like how we should maybe like how we should solve revisit a problem, right? But I think for this problem, like I am trying to solve, I just don't have that much time today, so that's why I'm using AI. Like I will not ask for the code from it. I will ask like how we can approach this. Like what is my approach, what you think, what we should do. He told me so this before. The array sorting indexing, given and sorted array means the numbers which are on odd indices should be bigger, right? And the numbers which are present on even indices should be smaller, right? Naive approach sort the array, then place smaller half at even indices and larger half at odd indices. But if we directly sort and just fill, then same values. Okay. Oh, okay. I think we should pick another problem, right? Because in this, the concept of so do I even don't solve the question if you don't know how to solve it. First, learn then apply. Don't be dependent on AI to spoon feed you. Yeah, that's why I want to like work on this Discord server, right? And I think there will be some things be used in this that I don't know about right now. And or I think that I have not been teached in the lectures which I watch. Okay. Okay, not this. We should pick another problem for today, right? Because I think uh, we have already done stream for a good amount of time today, and we should pick problems so that we can end the stream in the required time. Uh, to reduce the dependency on AI, that's why I wanted I will be working on the community more so that we can come and sit together or like have a talk about these topics, like how we should approach this, right? Okay, let's try to pick a problem from this list, like running out of time. Is there any problem that we can pick? Okay, even I'm getting confused at this stage, like because I think of because of today a lot of interactions came, maybe number of one bits given a positive integer, right? A function that returns number of such bits, also known as the Hamming bit manipulation. Um, okay, let's try to solve that problem that I wanted to try from a very long time. Find the duplicate number. Maybe like today I haven't decided what problem I will be like picking. I think because of that it's happening. Why I'm asking from this, because he like it knows like on which level I am right now. Mm, okay, output is 2. Dot array check adjacent elements. Hashing that already present, that's the duplicate. Okay, but if you said don't think it will query search on answer, count how many numbers less than met. You already know that I have just covered topics like arrays, vectors, and strings. I think the approach can be like we can sort the array and use a for loop, then travels and check for every single word if it had appeared to or word. I think, but this will not be the approach. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry, Arvind. I think I shouldn't have used AI today, but due to not having that much time on today's stream, I will have to like maybe use it, right? Like I think it also affects the people who come on the stream who like see like to from okay with which with whom I like interact with, right? Like the thing I think I talk about doesn't reflect when I like try to solve these problems, right? Like on some days it happens like that. I just think, but wait, it should start from one index, right? Because when we will try to access nums I like the previous index, then that case if nums I is on the zeroth index, then it will be out of bound, right? So for being safe from it, we are using this and have to return. Okay, but what we have to return? Output is 2. I think we have to return nums I, right? After this for loop, compiler empty body has empty body. Okay, okay, okay. But what about the else case? Like if it's true, but in the else case, I think we can return -1. Maybe it can be a hidden test case for maybe it will be for compiler. Okay, it's accepted, but it said that there are so many approaches with which we can solve this, right? Like it told us about hashing or set, right? Or maybe Freud's cycle. Okay, yeah, we can use set, right? Like we can use ordered set and just it will, but then we will have to convert it into vector, right? So that like we can return it. No, not the vector. If I submit it, I think it, oh, it's accepted. I don't know what's happening to the internet today. Like it's just being so much weak sorting. big of n log n. Suggested was big of n without modifying the array. Okay. I will mark it as solved, but I think we can maybe try to learn about this algorithm, right? First, new problem, solve, find a duplicate number. Okay, what about Floyd's detection? But yeah, we haven't, I think, yeah, we haven't seen the code, right? So Floyd detection login. But yeah, if we even use set, it will be like this. Hey, what about Floyd set detection, right? Can you teach me that? I think that's intermediate level for the different from basic one. And I think if we will use set, then it will automatically reorder. But wouldn't it remove duplicate values? So, linked list. Okay, treats the array as a linked list. And if any number is duplicate, okay, then value mapping, uh, it becomes a cycle using a value mapping, right? Treat num size the pointer to the index. Example, nums 0. Load fast. Oh, cycle detected. Reset num pointer 1 3 2 fast 3 4 optimal solution. It both use same time complexity and space. I think in sets it will be what problem are you doing when I went away for a while, so I missed that. Just like I was running out of time, so I like picked this problem. This is a very basic level problem. I did have solved it, just was trying to understand about an algorithm which we can apply in this problem to solve it, right? Like in this, we have to find the duplicate. What I did, I just sorted the array so that all the values will come in a sorted manner. I just applied this for loop, right, to check for values. If current index value is equals to the previous index value, then we are returning num's current index value. As we have found a duplicate, else we are returning -1. And why we are returning -1? So that like it doesn't give compile error, right? Maybe if I remove this line, if it will work, I think. It did give compile error, right? This is one hell of a problem, bro. This is so difficult to come up with an optimal solution. Try doing, yeah, that's why try doing a big of n solution. I was just having discussion with the AI. Like today, I was not supposed to use AI, but like because of like having interactions with you guys, like I have not been left with that much time, so I just picked this and solved this with the brute force approach. Now I'm trying to understand like this flight detection cycle. Maybe I can use this if it will not take that much time, or maybe use set approach, right? That will be used another set. Did you do the regular sort one? I just do that now. No, man, no, I haven't choose that. I think there will be some topics is needed to be learned before doing that problem, right? I don't think that I should pick that right now. We see about the unordered set method. It is okay. Give the unordered set and named it as scene. So there is a function in sets we can use. It's as if count x. Okay, if it's duplicate is found, we are returning x, right? It will learn in big of n time. No, bro, no topics needed. You can check my solution. Okay, but there is another approach in which the space complexity will be reduced. Like I think we don't even have to use unordered set in that case, right? Like it's named as fluid detection cycle detection. And this algorithm will be teached in the course like which I'm following. Have you shared it somewhere like where I can see your solution? Okay, I think I just did. No, bro, no topic is okay. You're talking about this, right? Biggle sort EQ. I don't know about this container, DQ container. Like I a little bit. I think I remember about that. Like what type of container it is. Okay, it will automatically detect what type of data, right? Auto. It pushback vector. After that, you have created a vector answer and passed the number of elements in the vector and initialize all with zero, right? For this, if I modulo it to dq dot back, dq dot pop back. No, man, I don't know about these things. The container which you are using, or maybe the way you are doing this. Like I got to know about this auto function. I think it was in JavaScript. I don't know why you have used two for loops to do this. Are you getting me? This is very naive solution. Actually, the optimal solution is big of n and in this solution, which is difficult as hell to come up with. This is you can say a brute force. Okay. even even the brute force is feeling like like a little bit understandable at the right time, right? I think auto is just for data type identity, same simple for loop. Yeah, I think it will automatically detect what type of data it is, right? Hello, man. Welcome to the stream. I think what approach I can follow, like aside from just seeing lectures, maybe I can see how these problems will like are being solved, right? Just not following the lectures. Yeah, but I want to work on this Discord thing. I think it will be great. It will be it will be helpful for other people like you, right? Like for everyone of us, it will be beneficial. Don't know what's happening to the internet. It's just, I think, dying. The network is just bad. I think due to because of the uh, weather is not that good. Maybe there are clouds present in the sky. Okay, so we did solve the first problem of today. It was our medium level problem. Its name was find the duplicate number. Okay, and what I will do, I will try to understand these approaches, right, in the offline, and yeah, I will make I will try to make the setup more good, and also will. Okay, so now I think we should focus on revisited problems that I did yesterday, right? It was palindrome number, and this problem, its name was reverse string part 2. So what we did in palindrome number. Okay, this is the very first revisit that I will be doing today. Um, we will be doing this in a fast track mode without taking that so much time, right? So what I did in this, like to check if a number is a palindrome or not, like to check that first what we did, first we like use this function to reverse. Okay, first we created this function to reverse the number, right? X. Um, if we like did use sorting function, right, then the time complexity will be more. So for reducing that, we did use this so that the time complexity can be reduced to this much, I think log n, right? And here what I did, I just wrote the code to reverse any number, right? Um, like to reverse any number, we take the last digit every time, and for getting the last digit, we take modulo of it with 10. Then in the reverse, we added, we multiply reverse into 10 plus digit, and reverse is initialized with 0 in the starting because it will be marked as the ones place. Then after that, okay, this one is is being passed in the reverse. Okay, though then after that, when we will take the second digit, it will be 2, right? After dividing this x with 10, when we will again take modulo, there will be we will taking modulo of 12 with 10, right? Then in that case, we will get 2 as the remainder. Okay, that remainder will be stored in this digit. We will do 1 into 10 will be 10 plus the digit will be 12, right? So it will become 12. After that, we will again divide it with 10, and we will be left with 1. When we will take modulo of 1 with 10, it will be 1, right? Then in the reverse, it will be like um, 120, because 12 into 10 is 120 plus 1. It will be placed at the 100, right? 100 place, right? So it will be like 121, and this while loop will run till x is not equals to 0. So x will be 0 because we have like kept dividing it again and again. And here we are just checking this for like if maybe maybe when we try to reverse it, it can overflow, right? Maybe it can go beyond the max possible negative value, or maybe it can go to more than max positive value. According to the like I have not that much understanding of it, but our basic understanding of it says that the compiler not allows, like there's a limit of numbers uh, in the negative range and also the positive range which the compiler allows. And here we are returning it in the integer format, right? Then after that, we are calling this function in this Boolean function is palindrome. Uh, we named it as reverse number is equals to like this, right? We passed x as x was the number given. Then we are checking if x is less than 0, then we have to return false. Means if the value is negative, then it can't be a palindrome, right? Like if we try to reverse it, it will be like not be a palindrome, right? Like when we will try to read it backwards, it will be like the minus mark will be at this point. So that will not be palindrome in like any case, right? So after that, we are checking if x is equals to reverse number, like the original number x equals to the reversed number. That if that's true, we are returning true. Else, we are returning false, right? I have a very cool. What? A reason negative of minus 121 is 121 minus. Yeah, which is not equal. Yeah, it doesn't read the uh, reads when we try to read it as same, it doesn't reads as same, right? And I think it will become a like if we think it for it from a maths perspective, um, it will be like 121 minus like then it will I think it will become a positive value if we remove this negative, then it will be a positive value. Even if we just let it be here, then it will be like just 122 minus, right? It doesn't show that it is a negative number anymore, right? Or is it is a palindrome or not? I will just mark it as revisited because the code is not that much harder to write, right? But soon I will fix these patterns to like how we should revisit the problems, right? Like before I did used to revisit problems like writing the full code of like what is happening in the problem. Like when I started revisiting problems, I just wrote the code. But from the past few days, I'm not revisiting problems like this. Like I feel that we can revisit those problems in which we feel that okay, logic is our logic is good, but somewhere we are lagging in like writing the code for it, or maybe how the positioning of code will be, or like how the for loops will be arranged, right? What will happen in the inner loop? What will happen in the outer loop? So first problem revisited. I think there will be some streams, like there will be some days where streams will be like this, right? And I think today I will mark it as like as a bad stream, a very bad stream, right? Because I think I should have planned it before, like to pick a problem before, but I didn't got. I think I didn't thought about it today because of like I was busy in this Discord things, right? But I think like if I wanted, I can have choose that topic like at that problem which I have like understood about uh, recently. It was like count primes, right? Okay, so tomorrow what I will do, I will pick that problem and try to explain it using Excalibur, right? Then I think it will be good. Like what is happening in that problem, what algorithm is being used, which who gave that algorithm. And I think you guys can already see that like the stream gets so much longer, it becomes difficult for people to stay at like on these type of streams, right? Maybe I should close some tabs, then I think it will be good. Palindrome number. We will get this. Yeah, but I have like a good amount of time right now. Like we can have some discussions. Like if you guys wanna have discussion on something, I tell clearly in Discord today's discussion. Uh, you are need to file, right? You are need to file. Yeah, but I have like a good amount of time right now. Like we can have some. With what name are you present in the Discord, man? Okay. I'm also like excited to like work on this community, like the way we have interaction with each other. Yesterday, like, it was like planned from before, but you guys also came, so we also like added you guys there. Like we were there, we were online. Like we were going to do it as a duo, but when you guys came, the things just happened automatically. Right? I can't say count primes. What do you think? What do you think about this? Like creating a type of environment where people can have collaborative study. Like, did you enjoy that thing? Like what we have uh, done yesterday? I think it was good, right? Like it felt very effective. Like for me, it was very effective. Even if someone can join it for maybe 1 or 2 times in a week, I think that will be beneficial for that guy, right? Yes. Yeah, soon the system will be soon. I will try to like make it more bigger, like a stronger system with stronger rules, and like it will create a type of environment where everyone will be able to learn, right, in a good way, so that dependence of dependent being dependent of AI for things will be less, right? Or like I'm getting a feeling that it will be like a very great thing for like people. Like I was thinking about this from like the morning time today, but we will have to first work on the systems, right? um but it's exciting to see like people want to join it. Like I've also seen some people who have like texted me like, can we have collaborative study session? But I haven't like thought about it in that way. Like we can create these things. I got input from that guy, Ola. Yeah, he gave me input like we can try this or like. Then after that, I thought, okay, let's give it a try. And yeah, it is. Many people want to learn in this way. Is my English being bad? I think I'm just getting palindrome numbers. Okay, so the secondary visit was of the problem that it was reverse string part 2, right? What problem with the internet today? More than feeling glad about things, it also becomes a type of responsibility. Like there are people, there are viewers, or like people who are in contact with me. So I will have to more responsible for the thing. Like whenever I try, I should ensure that okay, the session should be type of a session where people can like enjoy the stream, and also they can have an environment where they can learn new things. Like you will see those things in the upcoming time, right? We have just started and we have time for these things. Like this is not a one day thing, or like this is not a thing where just people are in college who are joining it, right? Or they will just leave it when their college will be end. It's okay, at least you are trying. Most Hindi users, so you can sometimes respond in Hindi and English. Yeah, but I think you guys are able to understand the um, thing. Like I'm trying to uh, uh, tell you about, right? You can see that I think it's not enough video. Okay, but I think that with time, I think we already know about these things, right? Like this collaborative study rooms, we also went to like join that. So we have some awareness in between us that okay, we can do this. And I think with time we will have like been strengthened some topics, right? Maybe it can be arrays. We will had some discussion. We will had have some discussion today also. I think I will uh, maybe after the stream, even if it's for 10 minutes, right? You know, there is just evening lunch being sitting here for a from a very since the past I think 30 minutes, and it's just being cold. But I don't know why my focus is on these things, right? Like it just I think just it became like part of my okay. I think I should leave that thing. We should try to revisit it. After that, I will end the stream and we can uh, maybe work on the Discord system and maybe work on this project, right? So what we are doing this reverse string part 2 problem, we are just okay, we are reversing string the like the characters till the second index. Okay, we are picking two characters at a time, right? Like the very first we pick two characters. After that, we are not reversing the next two characters. If I show you, like here, can you explain this question on Ascari draw? This question, yeah, we can give it a try. Okay, just wait. Man, what's happening? Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. 48. Okay. Now we will pick the pencil and just change the color. So here is the problem, right? We have time. So okay. So what we have to do? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. We will take this array here. And all the letters are in lowercase. Okay. We have to keep that in mind. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we have started learning A, B, C, D. Right. So there is okay given, right? Mm, like K is telling us that like how many characters we have to reverse. Okay, and there is a condition that okay. First, I will tell you that here. Then I will show you like how this is working. Right. First, we have to reverse the very first two characters. Right. After that, we have to leave the next two characters in the string. Then after that, we have to again reverse these two characters. Right. Like this. And if in the ending we are left with only one character, then we will leave it like that. We will not disturb it. And if it is two value, we will again reverse it. Like we have to reverse first two characters. Then after that, we have to leave the next two characters. Right. For doing that, we did use this these pointers, right? Like it is pointing at zeroth value, like the very first value, it is pointing at the first value. Okay, we have to take those pointers also. Um, J is equals to 1. Like these are representing like uh, which values we want to pick for reversing, right? Then what is happening here? That's the good part. And if you see the loop, what we are doing every time I is on this index. Okay, so I plus equals to um, 2, I plus equals to 2. Okay, so it will be on third index, third, okay, started from 0. Like I also did not understood it in the way. Okay, I can use ChatGPT for it, right? again it's uh, being AI. Like I want to explain that part, like this part of code, like why what is happening in this reverse part and this loop, right? Like there was a good dry run being given by Chat GPT. Don't know what why it's not being opened. Okay, but we are doing revisit, right? So I should try to explain it by my own self. So okay, okay, we can do that. Here, what is happening? Like first I is on zeroth index value, right? It is on the zeroth value. Then when then we are reversing values starting from I, right? Starting from I, like this index, we picked A, and plus the ending pointer will be minimum of I plus K and the number of elements present, the number of characters present in the string. Why we are using minimum of these two? Because at a point I can be, maybe I will be more than the number of elements present in the string, right? We can do a dry run of it, and like what will happen when we will be on second iteration. Okay, suppose we have reversed A and B to B and A and leave the next two characters as it is. Then after that we want to pick these two, right? So how we will pick that? I'm thinking if I remove this pointer J, it will work, or just wait. I think I'm eating a lot of lot of time of you guys, right? It becomes boring. Okay. What after this? Like when we will be on second iteration to reverse the next words. So I will be like I plus equals to 2 means I plus equals to 2 is 0 plus 2, like it will be like 0 plus 2, like I plus 2, right? Then k is what? K is equals to 2. So we will add 2 here and it will be equals to 5. Sorry, 4. And what is being present on the as of its value is that 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will be on this index, right? So I will be on this index, right? Like the fifth value. And now we will start reversing from that value. Like when we pass iterator like this, like it starts from that iterator which we give like plus I does start reversing values with that ith index. Okay. So in the second iteration, it will start from the ith index, but then after that, this is like we are again doing like till which point we have to do this, right? And here we are taking minimum because there will be a point where it will be more than the number of characters present. Okay, we can see that. So we did pick started. Okay, we did. Okay, we have reversed E and F to F and E. Okay, this is done, right? Then, and if you can see, the minimum is what will be the minimum? Like I plus k will be 4, number of elements will be um, 7, right? Number of characters. So 4 is okay. So 4 is less, right? Like 4 is less than the number of characters present in that. So we will take 4, and here it will be begin plus 4 means it will be the sixth value, right? So we will pick the fifth value and sixth value and just reverse it. Then after that, when I will be on its third iteration, then what will happen? See, I is already been 4, right? Like it was on the fifth index, right? Then after that, then we will again calculate I was 4, and then when we will add 2, it will be 6, right? Then we will add k is what? K is 2, so it will be 8, right? And you can see there is not any index as 8 present in the string, right? Like we can't access it. So what it will do in that case, it will start reversing from I. Okay, wait. Then in that case, okay, we are also left with only single value, right? In that case, it will take the minimum of I plus k and the number of elements present in the string. So it will be 8 or 7. So what is the minimum in this? It is 7, right? So it will be on 7th index. And like the 7th value, you don't, I think we are mixing index with value, but it will be the 7th character in this given string. And like we are going to the minimum and pass this string length so that we don't go out of bounds. As you can see, when we are adding, like we are jumping every time we are reversing, right? On every iteration, we are skipping these two characters, and also then after that we are coming on to next index, right? For doing this we are using k and like I plus 2 and into k, right? So it is being out of bounds, like we will be trying to access that index which is not present, right? So for being safe from that, we are using this minimum function, like minimum of I plus k and the number of elements present in the array, right? So it will go till the sixth index 6, right? That is the 7th value, and we are like trying to reverse, but it is a single value. So just it will be like this, right? It will not change. So we get the string like this in the end. Got it? Oh, really? Like I also didn't understand it yesterday, like how the reverse function is like working. Like I know about basic reverse function, but I didn't knew that minimum function can be used like this to being like make us safe from going out of bounds. And I thanks for suggest like telling me, like asking me to use Excalidraw for doing the explanation, right? Thanks, man. It also did help me, like force me to do the revisit in this way. So we can, I think, mark it as revisited, right? The code is not that much harder. It's just a basic code. And yeah, we did also remove that pointer J. Okay, I think you are an old viewer, right? You already know me from before. You have not came for the first time. Now the revisits is done. If anyone want to say something, they can have a discussion. We have some like time for it, because the objective of today's is somewhat completed. Not that in a way like it was supposed to be, but yeah, it is done. So second problem. And yeah, I didn't use Excalidraw, I think. I also used to write it down on my notebook while revisiting. Okay. Yeah, there will be days I think in the Discord. Like I've already I think repeated it so many times in today's team. Yeah. So making a separate video for that is good, I think. So every new person who come on the streams will be able to see that, right? Okay, okay. Hey man, are you on LeetCode? I think you are on LeetCode, right? You should be if you are a solver. And yeah, the project I'm working on is also on like GitHub. Like the files will be pushed on GitHub every time I create like do an update in the project, right? This project is not just a 1 day project. It will take I think around good amount of time. Maybe it will take like it will be a project which will improve with time. There will be backend be connected to this. This is not a project that you see on a daily basis like the projects which people copy from YouTube or like just copy paste it, right? Or maybe just try to create those projects which already exist. Like you have I think you've seen Amazon clone, Netflix clone, and so many type of projects which beginner people create, right? Or maybe you have seen those type of projects where people create to-do list or task manager, right? But this will be different from that. And I know that this is not looking good at the right time. I am already follow you. Okay, you follow me? Oh, option X. Right. Okay, you also started it on July 25th, and you are maintaining the streak, right? Hmm. So, like, on which topic are you right now? I think you are on arrays, right? You have just started it. Are you doing DSA in Python? Hey man, are you following any playlist, like any course for learning DSA? Like, you are doing it in Python. So, like, are you following any course for that? Because many of the people are asking, like, for DSA course, which is like in teach in Python. Are you following any course? So, I think I should create a channel for that, right? Okay, so like, are you following? Like, I think you have started it. So you must be following any playlist, right? Like, which playlist are you following? Because many of the people come on the stream and just ask about, okay, tell me from where I can do DS in Python. Like, have you got any good playlist, like a good teacher, which you feel that, okay, I should share that in the Discord so that other people can take help from it. I will create a new channel for that in the Discord as DSA Python, right? Here you can share that resource if you feel that, okay, this guy is teaching good DSA in Python like in a very good way, right? Aditya Verma. So what you will say about this guy? Like Is that guy like good in teaching these topics? Oh, so like the playlist, it is like he have created are like all these playlists are in Python, like being taught in Python. Is that is this the right guy? Like we have I have found or and like how was your experience like learning? Like you started learning DSA from this guy. Like is he teaching in a good way? Anyone can follow. Yeah. You are in Discord, right? What you can do, like the in which space you are, you can share that in this channel. I think you know about Discord, right? Like how we can use Discord. So you can go in this category like global resources. You can open this and you can share resources that you feel that okay, the other people can follow it, and you can paste it in the you know you can paste it in the Python channel, right? Here you can share that playlist that you are following from this, or maybe even you can share this his channel in the uh, resource. Okay, if you feel that okay, this guy is good and other people can learn Python like DSA in Python from this guy. Okay, are you like are you comfortable doing that right now, or should I do it? Like I have found this guy coming from any video. Okay, let's. Okay, yeah, like anyone can contribute to these channels. Like they can share resources related to DSA, C++, or Java, or maybe it can be in JavaScript. Like I have tried to share resources, but haven't shared that much. But you guys can also contribute in the like your way, right? So that it will be helpful for other people. Okay, he is using just the videos are a little bit old, I think, but if they are good, I think not so many people know about him, right? Okay, I think we should try to see his video. It's been around 1 year ago. Please complete a series. You are a great teacher. Okay, I think he's a good, great guy, and like, and I can see the effect of this guy on you, right? Yeah, I will just share that resource. Like I forget to share that JavaScript DSA. Yeah, they have like started teaching DSA using JavaScript. So I will just share it in the Discord. JavaScript. It is from Sharian's, right? Sharian's school. Yeah, I think now people have started having conversations in the off-topic channel, like they want to start. So yeah, you can hop into the Discord. I think the session is going to start. Like we can have some random talks there, or like maybe we just do some study. Yeah. And so now I will summarize the stream and just end it, right? Because we have done like what was supposed in the previous stream. What I did today was I did solve one new problem. It was find the duplicate number. It was a medium level problem. We did it, I think, using the brute force approach. Its time complexity was big of n log n, but we could have achieved more optimized, like wrote more optimized code for that. But we can try to do that, I think, in the next stream. And after that, we did revisited two problems. First one was palindrome number. We did revisited it in a fast track manner, right? Its time complexity was big of n. After that, I revisited the second problem of today. It was reverse string part two, right? And its time complexity was big of n. Then, okay, wait, I think its time complexity was not big of n. Just wait, just I think we should confirm it because we are like, okay, eventually we're traversing, right? So it can be, but I think we should not take a guess. We should confirm it. The time complexity will be big of n, right? Okay. Yeah, it is big of n. Okay, we were right. So this was the summary. Like we did revisited two problems and did one new problem today. And the way we are supposed to do the problems today, we haven't done the like solve new problems in that way, right? And I think people are just calling me in the Discord. Wait, I okay. Um, So yeah, and soon these things will be prepared, like these things, the setup will be uh, working like in a good way, and I will create a separate video for this, like what you guys can do in the community, so that you also can learn with other people who are like part of the community, right? Like which I have created, right? Okay. So for now, you all can like the video. Okay. You all have to not just directly right now subscribe to the channel. You can consider to subscribe when you feel that this guy is teaching something good, or we are learning something from him. Then you can consider to subscribe. Okay. Just don't subscribe only after I say, okay, just go and directly subscribe to the channel. Okay, that will not be a good thing, right? You can consider to subscribe when you feel that this guy is good, or like it is teaching something good, or like maybe he's learning something, right? Because I think I am not that much expert in teaching, but yeah, I am just started to learn things in this way. But for now, joining Discord server is highly recommended. Like the joining the this community, here you can share what you are doing on a daily basis, and like if you are working on a project, you can share that, or maybe you have completed a project, you can share that, and we can have a review of it. Or and yeah, I have started working on this collaborative study rooms, or like whatever you say, people can join those rooms and have discussions with each other, topics ranging from as basic as sorting to DP, or maybe more than that, right? And it will fasten up the speed of learning, right? So you can join in Discord is highly recommended rather than just directly subscribing. Okay. And please to give reviews in the comment section, like what things should I improve, what new things should I come up with, should I change something in my approach, or should I change something in my explanation style, or or like what new things should I come up with, should I create any like separate video for any specific topic, maybe it can be on communication, or maybe this Discord thing, like I will create that even if just in some like next few days. Okay. And please do give reviews in the comment section, so I will like get to know. Or maybe you can give reviews in the Discord. You can give opinions like what things we can like experiment, like because people are coming, okay. But I feel that I am learning, but at the same time, people should also be able to learn things, right? And soon I will like make this setup a little bit more good, so that when I do live, I will be able to like have interaction with other people also in the live stream, right? And in the end, I will say that till then, you all have to just keep learning and keep exploring new things, and just start taking actions. Okay, just go and start grinding, start stay hard.